I could crawl in that dish.
Guys, well, actually it's way afternoon. It's 4 p.m. We're gonna go over to Juan's. He's actually installing a livery on his car, and then I think we're going to a meet, and then we have another meet tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some stuff today, so let's go over to Juan's.
I see what it's on.
Come out!
I told the vlog, I was like, yeah, we're gonna install the livery. I completely forgot that your starter went out.
Watch those 2 lines right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to keep an eye on. New starter was a little hard to get in there, but actually not too bad.
Okay. She knows how to do that.
That's the gold I wanted.
It's the same gold as the stickers that are on there already.
Oh, is it also gonna have that like flaky leaf pattern?
It's that same. He custom ordered this same vinyl.
Yeah.
To cut the sun out of.
I should probably unlock my car. Oops. That was gonna be such a cool shot, but I missed. So we're gonna go over to this meet. I've never been here before, so I have no idea what we're doing or where we're going. So we're just getting here. It looks like the meet's kind of done, but we'll see. There's a few cars left, but we'll hop out and see what things we can find. Well, we made it, Serge.
We made it.
Time to go home.
First time, right?
Yeah, actually, yeah. First time, my first time here.
Me too.
But there was a lot of cars like pulling out. That Z is on bags.
Yes, it is. Nice.
Nice. I should probably put a coat on. It's cold. It's like actually cold. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. I've never really necessarily stood next to one of these things, but the fact that the wheel goes up to my nipples.
Dude, I could crawl in that dish.
That's pretty big. That's pretty big. Oh, look at that van though. That van looks amazing. No lie.
DJ,
what?
I want to turn on my underglows, but I'm like paranoid now because of you.
Don't worry, it's not gonna catch fire. Only mine catches fire.
How fire is it? See why? It just like keeps on burning. Oh man, that's horrible.
Is it on fire?
No, it's just smoking.
My underglows are currently catching fire, which is why they're not on. But yeah, turn it on, dude. You're fine. You'll be fine. Listen, if your car catches fire, it's, you know, you'll know. Hey. Juan, notorious goose chaser. Yo, he's staring you down now.
Do it! Do it! Squirrel put it! Don't be afraid of him! You're bigger than he is! Don't be afraid of him!
Look at him, bro.
Juan, do it for YouTube.
Oh my god.
Right?
Gets attacked by Goose at car meet.
There you go. Oh, man.
Thumbnail right now.
That's a thumbnail.
Thumbnail right now, dude. Look at this whole crowd of people just waiting. They're just waiting for Juan to get up.
I want to bring him home.
Have a good night, bro.
Be safe, man.
Yeah, you too, man.
Get crazy out here on this bus car.
I will try not to. Them Goose, man. I don't know.
Yo, you know what? Actually, that's a bad idea to get too close.
Really? Why? What?
Mama Goose is hiding over there.
Oh, oh, I see.
I think she's
Oh, so
nesting.
he's actually like gonna.
Well, he might that guy up because he's close to the missus.
I see. Can we talk about this van though? This van is tight as.
Oh, it's just.
Oh, now he's just.
He's just chilling now.
He's just chilling there now.
Sit down. Give him high five. High paw. Yeah, give him high paw. High five. Give him high five. No, him. Give him high five.
Hello.
High five.
Hello.
Give him high five.
Hello.
High five.
Oh,
Tell him high
that's-
five. Tell him high five.
High five.
Give him high
High
five.
five. Yeah.
He likes the cars.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's
You got a
awesome.
fan.
That's so cool. I
It's
know.
been too
It's
long.
been way too long.
This
It's been way
is
too long.
what I like. This is what it's about.
That's right. That's right.
All right, you guys have a good night.
Thanks, man. You
Nice to see
too.
You guys all take care.
What do you feel?
It was a blank canvas just waiting.
Are you gonna do the other side too, or just leave it at one side?
No, I'm gonna do the other side.
Yeah.
I'll do it tomorrow.
You know, what'd be sick is if you actually. I mean, it's gonna look good no matter what. But like, you know how like some like old JDM ones have like the thing like flipped, so it's gonna be like mirrored almost on the other side. You know what I mean? That would look sweet.
Oh yeah, so it's like backwards.
Yeah. Oh, here's legendary. See, I saw them earlier. The gold flake, dude. Actually, look at it on camera. Look at that. That's crazy. Jeez. Oh, right now.
I didn't anticipate. Like I knew it would pop more than just like
Yeah.
the normal flat gold.
Yeah.
But I wasn't ready for that.
We should definitely take lights. Actually, what we should do is do a long exposure light paint and then send it to Spinny Woosh.
He started following me.
Really?
Yeah. After I tagged him in my story.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Alright, my car don't fit, but you know what? It's alright.
That's right.
It's JDM.
Now I want my underglows to be working. The Lexus isn't working. My underglows aren't working. My rotiforms aren't on. I was not ready for the season. I wasn't ready. Oh, look at all the kids. I always love the kids' reactions to your car.
Dude, for real.
I'm gonna say
They
this again.
always love it.
Right?
Mr. Popular.
Because Brian's car is
Always.
like a real life Hot Wheel.
It's
Right,
true
it's a
though,
real-life
but like actually.
Cheese. Come on, cheese.
Yeah, damn, wow.
116, baby. Shout out Joe. Joe's in the Philippines.
How did he explain it? I know what it means, but how did
He
he
said it was
explain
keep it 100, and then the 16 is the 16th letter of the alphabet is P for Pinoy.
Pinoy.
Yeah. I thought it was F, and I was like, wait, F is not 16. I didn't get it. But after he explained it, I was like, ah, okay.
I want to hug you first.
There's some father-son stuff. There's some father-son right now.
Pretty good, man. How you been? What's going on, brother?
Good to see you. Good to see
you, man.
Good to see you.
I know, we're stopping.
Where's my boy?
We're about to clean up my house with the
I passed you guys earlier on 59. I was like, wait a minute.
No, I already made my
I'm gonna
peace
have to
with the
snap
geese. I'm
motherfucker's
good.
neck.
You're good.
Or just swing around a
What
bit.
are two different things?
Two different things.
Nah, dude, they're
I
one
like
and the
how
same.
this has to be a conversation. We have
It
to
always
have.
has to be.
Has to
Because I'm
be.
the one that's gonna bail him out.
I will.
Is that a federal offense?
It is.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're protected.
Oh man. I had a friend of mine in high school have a bald eagle feather and brought it home, and she got like they
that's
got her in
big
like
trouble.
massive trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she's like short, so she got like.
She's got the angle.
She's
Show them how I touch you.
the good angle.
Show them how I tell you. Yeah. Look at it.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Take your finger out.
I know.
You good?
Gonna put me out of a
Breathe,
job.
girl, breathe.
Oh, look at that. Perfect.
Dang.
Perfect. push pin, huh? Factory push pins. That's sick.
You go.
Wow. That's pretty. It's huge.
Yeah, that's in there. No room.
So that's all fake too, right?
Signature and all. Fake. The guy that built it, fake as f.
Oh man, he
Don't even know who he is.
Nope.
Yeah, he doesn't even exist.
Nope.
Well, thank you. It's a beautiful car.
So who wants to drive it?
Oh, I don't trust myself. I really don't.
No, I'm good.
I don't trust myself. I can't. Juan has informed me of an LS Swap Z. Oh.
Boom. See, single try.
You know, I'm not that good. All right. That's not even on this vlog. That's on Search's. Watch Search's vlog to find out what I was talking about.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
All right.
Brian. Until next time. Search. All right, boys. Have a good night. Oh God, it's so cold outside. I don't know what it dipped down to. During the daytime, it was actually really nice. This was a really good meet. It was really fun just to see everyone. It's really cool to start getting, you know, everyone in the car community like connected. So like, you know, everyone with like Legendary, you know, they're all really good and cool people. So it's always great to be around them. Until next time, guys, I'll see you next week. See you on the other side.
I bought a goose statue.
Yeah.
For no reason.
Just cause?
Just because I like geese. I don't know why. Yeah, I still have it. I found it. I was like, oh shoot.
Where are you gonna put it?
I'm thinking about just keeping it in the car.
You should keep it in the car and then put it right here, like during shows, and just put it right there.
Nobody come near.
Exactly.
What's going on, guys?
What's up?
This is your car, right?
Yeah.
Where'd you do your headliner and your doors?
What's up?
Where'd you do your?
I do it myself.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
dude, that's cool.
So I do custom lighting.
Oh shit.
Headliners, headlights.
That's sick.
We see you around everywhere. What? He mad. He mad.
I didn't worry about the geese, not my dog.
I did actually.
Nice.
Geese attacks dog.